Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Back to the Future DeLorean time machine. And we're starting out pretty much where we left off last week with the rear deck, except now we've got a rear bulkhead to go with it. And there's a couple of new connecting lines. We've got this little guy here in the corner. There's the two lines with the blue and red anodized fittings. And there's the large corrugated elbow right there in the middle. But while those are all well and good, the real news for this update is the front of the bulkhead. And once again, impressed not just by the quality of the kit, but by how many tiny parts they managed to cram in here. About a dozen pieces have been added to this bulkhead, and that's not counting 3 separate decals here. The flux capacitor alone is 4 separate pieces. Little circuits and heat sinks are all separate pieces. The fire extinguisher. I was a little bit surprised that they didn't make that line with the blue anodized fitting a separate piece, but once the seat's in, I've got a feeling you're never going to see it. And once again, very impressed by the quality here, and also the potential. If somebody really wants to rewire this and add every bit and piece, you totally could do that. As for me, I'm pretty happy with how this is coming together. Take a look at what that interior is going to look like, and that's looking pretty good. And I also started painting the body. Got the main shell AS12 bare metal silver. I masked off the nose and tail and painted them TS99 IJN gray. And I haven't done any polishing to it yet, so the silver especially is pretty dull. But I think it's going to give me the right effect. I still need to paint the door openings and the windshield frame. And then once that's done, so I don't have to mask off anything anymore, then I can do my final detailing and polishing work. And just give it a quick mock-up here. Thinking this is looking pretty good. Now, normally when a kit gets to this point, you'd say you're on the home stretch, but according to the staples here, I have just reached the halfway point of this build. Yeah, I still have the interior detail, the lights, the wiring, the conduit, all the stuff around the bumpers, the roof. So, yeah, there's a fair amount left to go. So I'll be getting the base body finished up so I can start adding the details to it. I will have an update next week. You can check back then, and thanks for watching.